Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 1 minus 8 times 1 minus 8. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 1 minus 8 gives us negative 7. And again here inside this parentheses we have 1 minus 8. So negative 7 times negative 7, which equals positive 49. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and the one parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics when a number is placed next to parentheses it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parentheses, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 1 minus 8, which equals negative 7. So we have 1 minus 8 then times negative 7. In this expression we have one subtraction and the one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here first we have to do this multiplication. 8 times negative 7, which equals negative 56. So we have 1 minus negative 56. Now, negative times negative gives us positive. So we have 1 plus 56. And this is equal to 57. So we have 57, and this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 57.